dental implant is, in essence, the replacement of the root of a tooth. So if you're replacing a single tooth, you use a single implant. Sometimes you could use 2 implants to replace 3 teeth with a bridge. And a lot of times we may place 4 to 6 implants to replace an entire arch of upper teeth or lower teeth. People can have a whole new smile based on just getting a few implants after they've struggled with a denture for God knows how many years, you know, or after they've had the compromised aesthetics of wearing a partial denture or having a missing tooth. When you get an implant, you don't have to be running around toothless either. You could always have a provisional tooth put in. Sometimes you can get implants and have an immediate crown placed on it. So it could be permanently restored almost instantaneously, depending on the condition of your bone.